For the first time, we are hearing from a San Diego County resident who tested positive for coronavirus. Thanks for joining us for the Nightly Check-In. I'm Mark Mullen. Drew Andrews says he started noticing something was wrong when he made dinner and couldn't smell it.
My sense of taste and smell went out. Then the next morning I had a fever, and I've had a fever now since then. That's been 7 days.
Drew was diagnosed with the coronavirus last Thursday and is currently quarantined alone in his bedroom. He says his other flu-like symptoms include body aches. While he can't go back to his job bartending or play with his band, he says he is using his time wisely, documenting his entire experience on Facebook in order to educate others.
If it slows down now, then that gives time for a cure to come out, some treatments to come out, positive things to come out. But people got to start taking it seriously.
Drew says his symptoms seem to come and go. He's now on day 5 of a 14-day quarantine. Meanwhile, the coronavirus pandemic is gaining momentum across the county. The latest count from local health officials show 603 positive cases. That is up from 519 yesterday, the biggest single-day jump so far, although it likely includes numbers from private labs that were not reported over the weekend. Most of the cases are in people under the age of 50. 7 people in all have died. With the surge in cases here and across the state, Governor Newsom is now asking anyone who is a medical worker in California to come and join the fight against COVID-19, even if they're retired.
Looking for mental health experts, looking for more EMTs, more pharmacists, looking for more phlebotomists, looking for more experts in respiratory care and the like, technicians, administrators, doctors, nurses. We are calling on you to step up and step in and meet this moment.
Newsom's new effort is called California Health Corps. It's targeting at least 37,000 healthcare workers in the state who are either retired or working part-time, even med students who are close to graduating. According to the website healthcorps.gov, those who sign up will be given a salary and malpractice insurance.
We do not have the PPE that we need to do our job safely.
Meanwhile, some nurses here at Sharp Mary Birch are demanding more masks and gloves so they aren't exposed. A group of nurses picketed outside the hospital today with signs that read, "Help us, help you." They say they were sent a memo from hospital staff stating that if the nurses need to wear a mask, they have to provide a doctor's note. A Sharp spokesperson did not confirm the memo, but did say nurses who wear masks outside the ER are not being written up. They also say maintaining a sufficient supply of PPE is a priority. Johnson & Johnson will soon begin human testing of its experimental vaccine for the coronavirus. The company says its lead vaccine candidate will enter a phase 1 human clinical study by September. The preliminary results won't be known until the end of the year. If the vaccine works, the company says it could be available for emergency use early next year. Vista, by the way, is the latest city to close all of its parks. The city says it is due to the number of people continuing to gather at city parks, athletic fields, and trails. Also due to the people who continue to enter the already closed tennis and pickleball courts and the increasing difficulty of maintaining a safe 6-foot distance. The closure also includes basketball courts, skate parks, picnic areas, and public restrooms located within the parks. The Tokyo Olympics are being postponed now until they have a date, July 23rd, 2021, almost exactly 1 year after the games were due to start. Right now, with most areas on lockdown and the virus still spreading, the challenge is how and when qualifying competitions will take place. Athletes who already have qualified in the U.S. will keep their spot on the team.
It's about now getting a plan in place, working on that, adjusting it, and then really investing in it and going at it 100%.
Another change as a result of the delay, there will be just 180 days between opening ceremonies for the summer and the Olympic Winter Games. That's going to do it for our nightly check-in. I'm Mark Mullen. Have a good night.
We suddenly going to need thousands of ICU beds. No, I don't think any county is really prepared for that.
We are still in the eye of that storm.